Hello guys. So today in today's video we will see how to create a constants into the iPhone application and how we can use it for creating reusable string files, colors, font families or URLs. So let's create a sample demo and we'll see how we can use it. Create new project, sample app, save it to desktop. Okay, so project is ready. Now we will have to create a constant file because we do not have any constant file right now. So let's create a group first. This is called controller classes, where we will add similar kind of controllers which we will be going to use throughout the application. So just for differentiating purpose we will be creating this one. So inside that we'll need to create a new file, and we do not want any controller or something. We just need a simple Swift class which can be used as a constant. So we'll have to create a Swift file for that and simply name it with a constants. Naming can be anything, but just for the reference purpose we will be using constants here. Okay, class is ready. Now import the UI kit just in case if we are going to use any UI components here. So what we'll do is first we'll create a sample string and let's see how we can uh, use that string into the controller file. Let So we have created a simple string here, and let's see how we can do it here. We are trying to access that string here. So as we can see, we have not mentioned here any class name or uh, any object name or something. Still we are be able to access this string file directly here. And if we try to jump to the definition, it will redirect us to the constant file where we have added this string file. So this is how we can create a constant and how we can utilize. Let's see how we can jump to it to run the same thing. So as we are launching the application right now, let's see if it gives the output. Okay, so as we can see, application is launched and it's giving us the sample string. Now similarly, how if we can utilize the color as well. So let's create a sample color here. Let so let's create a something different here. Any customized color. Now we have created one color here, and that color we are going to use into the view controller here. So we are applying this color to the view part. So it's currently white. So it should change with the RGB value we are passing now. Self.view.background color. Let's see how it goes. So as we can see, we are applying any color and it's automatically taking that color here. Similar way we can use it anytime. Again we are changing and we see how it's taking the color. See, it's automatically changing. So let's say if we have a bigger applications where we have a lots of pages, and we need to have some sort of mechanism where when we can apply all the reusable components like this color and strings. So if in future there is change required, we'll have to make sure where we do have a single place where we can change everything, and it should start working on all the pages. So this is how constants can be used into the iPhone application, and it can be utilized to more faster development. And it's very beneficial because we do not need to create any objects, we do not need to import any files. It's automatically taking everything. As you can see, we have not imported anything, we have not created the object even for that class, and still it's working fine. So this is how we can use the constants. That's all for this video, guys. Thank you.